Hey guys, so just wanted to show you this project that I built for Chicago's crime statistics using everything pretty much in the ArcGIS tool suite, starting with ArcGIS Pro on the desktop. I took 7.3 million crime features of Chicago's crime data since 2001, took that, published it to the cloud, took all the data, designed the fields in a way that we would have the ability to later create a web application and a dashboard where we'd be able to see all this data visualized in a way that made sense and gave us some insights. The one thing I wanted to do was not overwhelm the user with too much information because there is a lot of dots here, so a lot of features on this map. So I tried to keep the symbology really simple and just highlight some of the pertinent details like the time, the type of offense, and later on when I got the web app, the point of the web app is that a police officer or somebody within the police department could take a report and then log a crime in here, so they could actually, while they're on the job, drop a point on a map and say, hey, there was a battery here, add in the basic location details. It could be assigned a case number, and then they could move on from there on out, and then the data could be curated long term. So when I moved into the dashboard, the goal of that was to provide something that would be kind of like a quick reference to anyone who wanted to look around the city and see what types of crimes were in that area and sort of the trend, if there was an uptick or not. So I mainly focused on doing a chart of just the count of occurrences and made that filterable by the map. And then I also wanted to provide, some pie charts, something simple like that, so you could just zoom into an area and say, hey, in this area, mostly what you're seeing is battery, or mostly what you're seeing is theft. Just something really simple like that. I don't like to overwhelm widgets too much. I just like to add in what makes sense. One of the things I did add in was a date filter and a drop-down filter for the type of crime. I do think that maybe there's a detective using this in theory, and they use this app to look up and see what sort of crimes were in the area that are unsolved or something like that. So I also took this data into Insights and was able to make some more complex visualizations because the dashboard suite, handling all that and showing the distribution of the crimes with the heat map, Insights was more suited to that. And at the end, ultimately what I made was a web app dashboard hybrid where you could add crimes and view trends. So if you watched it this far, thank you so much for checking out my project, and please drop a like and subscribe, and have a good one.